guys, welcome back to Workshop Wednesday. I'm Lupe. So before we begin, we would like to start off with an icebreaker question. What do you do to relieve stress? A couple things that I like to do to relieve stress are paint, listen to music, and ride my bike. So today's topic is stress management. What is stress? Stress is a situation that triggers a particular biological response. Stress can actually activate our fight, flight, and freeze response towards any danger, threat, or major challenges. In response to stress, our brain floods our body with certain chemicals and hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline. So, is all stress bad, I ask? Well, while everybody processes stress differently, there's two major forms of stress. So there's the stress that is motivating and beneficial, so healthy stress. And then there's the stress that causes anxiety and also causes health problems, which is unhealthy stress. A couple examples of healthy stress are, learning a new hobby, meeting a tight deadline at school, or even, starting a new job. A couple unhealthy stress are, losing a loved one, divorce, being abused or neglected. So while everybody copes with stress in different forms, Steve will talk a little bit more about the signs and symptoms.
Hey, this is Steve Solorio again. So today's challenge question is, what do I do to release some stress? A couple things I do to release some stress. I like going to the gym and also like taking adventure walks with my daughters. So I'm gonna continue talking about some of the signs and symptoms that we notice in our bodies when we're under pressure. One of the things that we notice is, first one is physical symptoms. This might be, for example, low energy, aches, pains, tense muscles, headaches, upset stomachs. Some of you guys might feel dizzy, chest pains, and maybe frequent colds. You might be getting sick. Next one is emotional symptoms. Some examples of these might be becoming easily angry, anxious, frustrated, moody, a little bit overwhelmed. Some of us might have a hard time relaxing or sleeping at night. Next one is behavioral symptoms. This is very common with a lot of middle school and teenagers. This could be maybe you might not want to eat, or sometimes some of us might eat too much. Maybe avoiding some of our responsibilities. We might be might get a little bit lazy. The other thing might be on the tougher side. Some people might drink more alcohol, do drugs, smoke cigarettes. And finally, the last one is cognitive symptoms. For example, this might be constantly being worried, getting a lot of anxiety and poor judgment. So these are just some of the examples that we have for you guys of when you're stressing and your body is taking all this pressure.
Hi guys, it's Lali. Today what I'm going to be talking about is what causes stress. What causes stress is anything that puts a high demand on you. So some examples of external stress is your relationship, work, school, or being busy. And some examples of internal stress is negative self-talk and inability to accept how things are, or having high expectations that are unrealistic. And we have to keep in mind with stress, we can't control outcomes, or we can't control how people think, feel, or their actions. Yet what we can control is how we feel, think, and our actions. So what are some factors that influence your stress tolerance? Well, that can be your network, sense of control, and attitude and outlook on life. And what are some ways to improve your ability to handle stress? Well, that can be getting well rested, 8 to 7 hours of sleep, or eating healthy. I know creating a self-care goal can help. So when creating a self-care, have it be realistic. So do something that you know you'll stick to and that you like. For some people, it's exercising, meditating. I know for me, it's coloring, or even going outside, doing something that you like that helps you. And a big one that helps me is talking to someone. Talk to a friend, family. Me, Lupe, Steve, Our information is down below if you ever want to contact us, if you have anything on your mind. We're always there. Create a contact system, you know. Have someone that you trust and talk to them. You know, with stress, with what's happening right now, it's hard. Yet, you know, create something to help you manage your stress, okay? And don't forget, guys, we have Zoom available if you need help tutoring or just want to talk to someone. Me and Lupe are always there, okay? Not always, actually. Yeah, we're there 1 to 3. And if you want more information, the link and information will be down below. Take care, guys.